Alrighty, to remove a power steering pump off a 2005 Acura Tl. So what I did, I took a 12mm socket with a 1/4 drive ratchet, and I pulled these two 12s here, and then I used, that's the 12mm socket. I used 12mm socket, and on the top of the power steering pump you have a 10mm socket, two of them here. Then the other side right here is another 10. Got oil everywhere, but yeah, that's all to it. I mean, and plus I used a universal joint socket, 12mm, to remove the back socket on this, and then kind of crack that one loose, and I used a 12 wrench. Yeah, so and for how to pull the pulley off and put on a new one, I use impact socket, impact wrench, that's what they call it. Impact wrench, and a 19mm socket, 19mm socket, and, put my foot on it, and reversed it off. Like I say, it's nothing to it. Better than try and take it to the shop. And I'm gonna try to torque it to the specs with this, 1/2 inch drive I got here. That's it all to it.